Chào cả nhà, hey guys, I am Nina Tran Lee. Welcome to SoSimYum Kitchen. This is where I cook recipes that touch my family soul, are simple to make and yummy to eat. So if you are into that, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And today we are making one of the most addictive Vietnamese snack called Crispy Rice Cracker with pork floss and toasted shrimp flakes. In Vietnamese, we call it món ăn vặt, cơm nếp Chà Bông và tôm cháy Chiên Giòn. When I was working part-time at a nail salon in San Diego, I was so tempted by the look of this beautiful golden snack presented in front of me. After one bite, I regretted on the spot because I couldn't stop myself from getting the next few pieces. I totally got hooked on the crispiness, sweet and savory with just enough heat from the bits and pieces of the chopped Thai chili. To be honest, I was one giving up on the ideas of making this addictive snack for my family because it takes more than 2 hours just to prepare this unfried rice cracker. Yeah, this little guy takes a long time to make. I don't know about you guys, but I only have 20 minutes or less to prepare after school snack for my children. So I sort of give up on that idea altogether. Anyway, until I was browsing Sin Lee in the east side of San Diego and spotted this baby. Right here it said Instant Sizzling Rice. With this, it only takes 20 minutes or less to make after school snack for my children. Anyway, shall we get started? In this recipe, we will need a few main ingredients. The first one is instant sizzling rice. This actually makes from sticky rice, also known as sweet rice. We can make this from scratch, but it will take us at least 2 hours. Not only that, the homemade one is a hit and miss depending on how well we dehydrate the sweet rice. Sometimes they stay crispy and other times they become too crunchy and very hard on our teeth. What I like about this store-bought sizzling rice is that they will give us the same result every time. They are super crispy and will stay crispy for a whole day. Another key ingredient in this snack is sweet and sour dipping sauce. Because this dipping sauce accompanies tons of Vietnamese dishes, I always have a jar available in my fridge 24/7 to cut down on my everyday prep and cook time. You can click here to learn my ultimate sweet and sour dipping sauce that has the ability to stay fresh even after 1 month in the fridge. The third key ingredient for this snack is the cooked dry shredded pork, also known as pork floss or cotton pork jerky. The homemade version of this shredded pork is the best, but we can also use the store-bought one too. I also use roasted shrimp flake in this recipe. However, this ingredient is optional. I always bake this in advance and freeze it for garnish in a lot of my food. The next must-have ingredient is scallion oil. And the last one is roasted black sesame seeds. This is also optional. However, I like to add this in for a pop of color and for health benefit for my children. Here's the moment of truth. Let's take a bite. So good. Sorry. The crispiness, sweet, salty, spicy, the combination of taste, so good. No wonder this snack is very addictive. So did you hear that crispy sound, guys? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video for making crispy rice cracker with pork floss and toasted shrimp flakes. If you did, please give me a thumb up and share my video. You can also leave comment below and let me know what dish you would like to see me cook next. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and remember to tap the bell to get notified when I upload new video. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved ones. Chào cả nhà nha. See you guys in the next video.